Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning, January 18th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, the stock market yesterday wrapped up the week on a high note. The Dow Jones gained 0.9%, the Standard & Poor's 500 climbed 1.2%, and the Nasdaq had the biggest jump, rising 1.7% as tech stocks bounced back. Nvidia and Tesla both edged back into the green, while chipmakers like Micron also posted gains. The positive vibe? It's all about fresh data and a little relief on inflation worries. Housing starts in December were stronger than expected, and industrial production beat forecasts too. These numbers are painting a picture of resilience in the U.S. economy, which gave rate optimism a boost. On top of that, the 10-year Treasury yield pulled back to about 4.6%, easing some of the pressure that's been weighing on stocks. Tech stocks led the charge yesterday. Apple saw a small gain of 0.7% after its worst loss since August earlier this week. Even crypto names like Coinbase joined the rally as Bitcoin continued its climb above $100,000. But investors aren't just looking at data, they're also watching Washington. It was the last trading day before Donald Trump's second term begins on Monday, which also happens to be Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so markets will be closed. Concerns linger about Trump's plans for tariffs, taxes, and debt, which his Treasury pick Scott Bessent hinted at during Thursday's Senate hearing. Some fear these policies could heat up inflation again. Looking abroad, China's economy grew faster than expected last year, topping its 5% target after heavy stimulus measures. Still, Asian markets fell on Friday as investors brace for the impact of Trump's promised tariffs. That's your recap for yesterday's markets. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, and I'll catch you next week with a brand new episode. Have a great weekend, everyone.